All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the farm. My name is Patrick, and today on the farm, well, we're gonna do this. This display case I got from the dump from some people who were just gonna throw it away. I'm gonna clean it up, restain it, put a new liner in the bottom, and display some stuff. So let's get on with it. All right, so just like that, it's a new day, all done. Now, on this project, I wanted to do, I wanted to keep it very, very rustic. So I didn't go on like I could have fully taken the thing apart. You know, I could have dismantled it completely, taken the glass out. I didn't want to do that. I want there to be overstain. I want there to be, I want there to be discoloration because I wanted it to look even more aged than it did, but clean. So not covered with wax that was on it and scratches and animal scratches and all that sanded out. Everything looked good. Also, I just stuck a piece of, this is just regular old foam board, like for crafts. I got it at Walmart. And I just did that because I thought, well, if I put felt, the felt, everything will just sit flat. If I do the foam, I can make slits and all my coins that I want to display in this box can stand up. So it's going to go over here in the corner of the farmhouse. Like I said, it's just a find from the dump. It was just sitting up on the thing. Somebody would have just thrown it in, I'm sure, by the end of the day if nobody would have taken it. But there it is, breathing new life into it. It's definitely old, that's for sure. So, yes. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're hitting 1,000 subscribers soon, which is a milestone for me. I mean, that'll be amazing. I mean, I know I keep mentioning that, but it's really exciting. I want to do it. So, yeah. Also, I cleaned up this corner. Got a bin, put it all in there. Good to go. Soon I'm going to be doing the plumbing, getting the plumbing finished back to the tank from the house. The storage tank, the 1,000-gallon tank. Other than that, really nothing going on. It's in the 60s already today. It's sunny out. Yeah, and it's almost February, so not normal for this area in Virginia. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, more to come. Bye-bye.